Alright YouTubers, welcome back to my channel, Road Misfit 187. Here is a Android entertainment system that I received recently and installed on my vehicle. I'll link the video of the installation. But here I just want to do a review of how much I love this and enjoy this product. If you have a 2006 through 2011 Honda Civic, this is a must-have to update your vehicle. Between sound quality and all the things that it can do is absolutely unbelievable. I should have purchased this a year ago when I first bought the car, but I kind of I didn't really think anything of it. I was stuck with an old radio, just AM FM with an old CD player, and it was very outdated, but it is what it is. So here we're going to go through some of the amazing things that this can do for you. Okay, YouTubers, let's dive right in. Here we're going to turn on the system. It's gonna start up on whenever you last had it on. Obviously, I had the radio on just a minute ago. But it's very nice, simple setup. I think it holds some crazy amount of presets. I obviously have 18 presets on this. Real simple. All the steering wheel controls still work. That's what's nice about this system. It comes with everything in the box. The wiring harness for the steering wheel controls. It's very simple. It's a plug-and-play install. I mean, the install of just plugging the wires in took maybe like 5 minutes, if that. Probably another 5 to 10 minutes just to take parts of the dash part here. But really, if you're not much of a do-it-yourselfer, this is an easy install with, I think I just used a screwdriver, and I think I used a 8mm socket because there was 2 bolts holding the factory radio in. But here we're just going to go through some of the awesome things that this radio has to offer. We'll go back here to the home screen. Obviously it has the time, date, that kind of stuff. You can click radio, which we just saw. You can go to music, which will pull up whatever's saved on a flash drive or a memory card, or on the hard drive you can actually save. It's a kind of very big, I think it's a 64 megabyte hard drive. Here I can turn it on so you can hear a little bit, but I can't play much because of obviously copyright laws. We'll go back here to the home page. I'm going to close that out just so it doesn't open up when I go to these other options. Bluetooth will obviously connect to music on your phone. It's pretty straightforward. Other nice things that I love about this is that any app that's on the Google Play Store, you can download and use. Whether it's YouTube, YouTube TV. All right, let's check out YouTube TV. Hopefully there's not too much glare on the screen. You guys can actually see this, but obviously I'll see you later on. But yeah, you can start watching your favorite shows. I don't know, we'll just click on Join Live, watch the Golden Girls, but apparently it looks like it's a commercial right now. But anyways, we can't play too much of this just due to copyright laws, but obviously that all works. So we have YouTube TV, some other great apps. You have Prime Video. If you have Amazon Prime, which I hope you guys do, you can watch anything on Prime Video if you'd like, from TV shows to movies. Just such nice options you guys have. I mean, there's free VTV, which is just free television, which anybody can watch that. I'm just trying to show you in real time how quickly it loads up. Some movies, Fast and Furious 9 you could watch. I don't know if we can get into that, but watch now. Picture quality on this is absolutely stunning. It's great. It's beautiful. Hopefully you guys can, hopefully I'm capturing this on camera for you guys. But apparently, obviously, this is the beginning of the movie, so don't want to get into it too much. So we'll just exit out of all these. And to close out the apps, it's very simple. You have Paramount Plus. I mean, other great things is just like navigation. I prefer Waze, but you can use Google Maps if you would like. I'm trying to think, what else can I show you guys? Video. I do like to I'll show you the Apple CarPlay, and I'll also show you the Android CarPlay. So give me just a second. All right, we're going to turn on the system here, and I'm going to show you the Apple CarPlay first. So when it boots up, it'll automatically connect to your smartphone. So it does take, what, 10 or 15 seconds there to boot up, but usually that's just enough to back out of my driveway. All right, so this is the Apple CarPlay, and here are different apps that you can use for the Apple CarPlay. I just happen to prefer the Waze for my navigation, and I prefer Pandora for my music, but you can use anything that you'd like, music players, or you can use Google Maps, whatever you prefer. But back to my personal preferences, it'll automatically open up Waze every time, and let's just hit the, I can head to work, or I can we can just go to my work address, and it'll tell me it's going to take me 35 minutes to get to work, 34 miles. Everybody understands how the GPS works. It's amazing. It's accurate. I love it. It's quick. There's no buffering. There's no lagging. From here, it also gives you the turn-by-turn directions, and also it automatically opens up the Pandora and starts playing music automatically every time you start the car, and it's on whatever the last channel that you've left it on. So the Android Dasaita Entertainment System works great as an Apple CarPlay radio. So hopefully this helps make up your mind. Next, I'll show you the Android. All right, now we'll show you Android Auto. So you want to turn the key on. And so the Android and Apple Auto is also this app here called Z-Link. So when you start your car, for the first, a couple seconds, it'll boot up. But it's just quick enough that I'm able to back out of my garage and be in the driveway. So when it starts up, I prefer the Waze app, and I also prefer the Pandora for my music. So obviously it's just predicting that I'm going to go to work. So I would just click work, and here's the Waze working, turn-by-turn directions, 35-minute drive, 34 miles. And here's the last channel that I had playing over here. Looks like some classic country from Pandora. So here's like little quick ones. You can just click Pandora. You can go through, you can give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, your normal stuff. If you want to place a phone call, real simple, you can call your friends. If you want to go full screen on the Waze, that's fine. If you want to do the split screen, you just tap the button. It does the split screen for you. And you can rotate them around if you like something different. Let me see here. There you can pick your different channels, different kinds of music, Christmas music, pop music, whatever you want to pick. But here's all the different apps you can use. And plus, once you go to customize, it'll open up on your cell phone, and you can just mark each individual app that you want to pop up on here to give you options from. So you can have messengers, different radio stations, your friends, like, just a speed dial kind of thing. But I love the Android CarPlay on this, or I'm sorry, the Android Auto it's called. But I mean, all in all, this is just a great system, especially for the price point. It doesn't lag. It doesn't have any problems with it whatsoever. But hopefully this helps make up, your mind for you guys, from, like I said, from music to music videos. Let me see if I can go through different ones here.